Loan signing agents typically earn $75 to $200 per signing. What's up, Notary Gang? It's your girl, Stephanie McAfee, back again with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's get into it. Have you ever heard of someone saying they made $100 to $200 per hour just by watching people sign papers? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% real, and it's called being a notary loan signing agent. Most appointments take less than an hour. Some may take that full hour, but you can make anywhere from $75 to $250 per signing. And just imagine if you were to do 2 or 3 of those in a day from your car or even from your living room if you're certified to do remote online notarizations. And here's the best part. You don't even need a degree. You don't need sales experience, and you can start part-time. All you need is your notary commission, the right training, and the hustle to build a client base. So if you've been looking for a flexible side hustle or even a new stream of income, this just might be your sign. I'm teaching you how to start and grow your notary business from scratch. So click the link in the bio or drop a fire emoji in the comments and I'll send you more information. So let me break it down for you. What even is a notary loan signing agent? A notary loan signing agent is a specifically trained notary public who facilitates the signing of loan documents for real estate transactions like refinances, purchases, seller packages, and more. So your job is to guide the borrower through their loan package, verify their identity, notarize where needed, and ensure everything is signed correctly. Once you're done, you return the documents to the title company or escrow officer, and that's it. You're done. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just like any other notary job? But not quite. This is specialized and it pays more. So some of the key differences are regular notaries can charge maybe $5 up to $25 per stamp, depending on what your state allows. Loan signing agents typically earn $75 to $200 per signing. You work with lenders, title companies, and signing services, not just walk-in clients. Now, let's talk numbers. This is where it gets really exciting. A single loan signing usually takes about 45 minutes to an hour. So if you do just 2 signings a day, 5 days a week at $100 each, that's $1,000 per week, which is $4,000 a month. Some full-time loan signing agents make $8K to $10K per month with no employees, no fancy office, and a flexible schedule. Here's a simple checklist of what you need to get started as a loan signing agent. First, you're gonna need your notary commission from your state. Next, you'll need your loan signing agent training from the NNA or other trusted sources. Next, you're gonna need a background check and E&O insurance. This protects you legally. Lastly, you'll need the tools of the trade. You're gonna need a dual tray laser printer, a scanner for scan backs, your notary journal and stamp, reliable transportation, or a good setup for online signings. You don't need experience, just dedication, training, and professionalism. You can get work from signing services, title companies, real estate agents, and even directly from clients. Sign up for notary platforms like Signing Order, Notary Rotary, and SnapDocs. List your business on Google, Yelp, and notary directories. Offer remote online notarization or RON to reach more clients from anywhere. Every day looks a little different. You're in control of how much or how little you work. Being a notary loan signing agent has changed my life and the lives of many other notaries I've helped get started. If you're looking for a way to earn extra income without the burnout, this might be exactly what you're looking for. And if you're ready to get started, I've got the blueprint that walks you through step by step through getting your commission, finding clients, and building that 6-figure notary business. Click the link in the description below or comment info and I will send you everything you need to get started. So don't wait. The notary world needs more trained professionals like you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!